Assistant Principal for the Design and Technology Academy at Ed White Middle School. We're excited to share with you a little bit about our program, what makes us awesome, and what's going to make you want to send your student to our school with all the great opportunities and the great things they're going to learn in our classrooms with amazing teachers. So how this evening is going to work is we're going to share a little bit of information about our program, what our courses are like, what you can expect from us, what makes us unique and special. And then afterwards, if you have questions still, you can shoot those questions into the comments and I will answer as many as we can. We also have some fabulous teachers that are available helping us moderate the comments, and so they'll be able to answer questions along the way. So if you have any questions throughout, please feel free to put those in the comments and we will get an answer to you. So at this time, we're going to go ahead and share what makes data amazing and why you should consider us for your child's middle school and high school experience. Hi, I'm excited to talk to you all about data and why you should consider us for your child's middle school experience. We are creating the future through design, and I'm excited to show you all about who we are. DATA stands for the Design and Technology Academy. We like to say we're the creative program. If your kid loves drawing and creating and designing and making, they really should consider applying for our program because that's what we do better than anybody else. We are a full 6th through 12th grade program. Students get automatic entrance into the high school program if they join us in the middle school, so you don't have to go through the stress of applying again. We are a full day program, which means all of their classes, their electives, their clubs, their sports, everything would be at the Design and Technology Academy. We are tuition free because we're part of Northeast. You do not have to pay a dime to enroll with our school. And transportation is available from any middle school in Northeast. So you just have to drop them off at that home school and we will pick them up in our bus, bring them over to us, and at the end of the day, our bus will take them back to that other campus and you just have to get them picked up from there. What we focus on, I want you to think about 3 things. We do coding. I'm going to show you what that looks like at data because each of the magnets does some coding with a little bit different focus. So coding, modeling, think 3D design, and then we have visualization. So taking an idea in our head, bringing it to life and making it look good. This is what it looks like at our school. All of our students get full access to the Adobe Suite. So they're going to learn Photoshop, how to bring pictures to life, change it, add to it, remove stuff. It's really cool. They're going to learn 3D modeling, bringing ideas to life that way. So this was a student design. And then all of these were student designs as well. In 6th grade, they're already learning the skills, building that confidence, doing awesome stuff. That word visualization, this is where it's at. They're going to learn how to make their own emojis and their own cartoons. And we love their personality that they put into it. Then they'll learn the foundations of animation and bring those creations to life. If they're into film design, they're going to love this because they're going to learn the foundation of film editing using Premiere and other programs. They're also going to learn video game design where they get to build their own video games and then play each other's to see how it works and then tweak it and make it better. Then of course 3D printing. So not only do they design it, they get to print it out and see, did it actually meet what I expected it to be? So that's what we do. That's what we're passionate about at the Design and Technology Academy. So if your child is interested in anything you see on the screen, they really need to get that application in and join us at the Design and Technology Academy because this is what we're passionate about. This is what we love to do, and we want to help your kid enjoy what they love to do as well. When we talked about coding, modeling, and visualization, coding for us is going to be found in video game design and animation. So they're going to learn the coding to make those things come to life. Modeling is in 3D design, architecture, video games, and animation. And then visualization is really in everything we do because everything goes from an idea in your head to bringing it to life and making it look good. So those design elements, how do I make this something that pops, that people want to watch? We have lots of technology. It's part of our name, Design and Technology Academy. They have computer labs, 2 tech classes every day, every year they're with us to really build their confidence with those skills that they're learning. We have printers and Chromebooks and smart boards and this really cool broadcast studio. So our students learn how to be in front of the camera. They learn behind the scenes too, how to set up the lighting and the sound, and how to do the editing and put it all together so it flows and it's something somebody would want to watch. Then we have a really cool escape room at our school. Any of the grade levels, any class can go in. So 6th grade might go in one day in their reading class, but then 7th grade math could go in, 8th grade science could go in, any of them, anytime. Just a fun way to show off what we learned in class in a different way. And then we have this outdoor learning area where they're going to learn all about our chickens. Yes, we have chickens at the Design and Technology Academy, and it's actually part of our science curriculum. Our students learn all about chickens. We have a chicken club. They get to take care of the chickens. We have a garden area, and we have these tables so we can just go enjoy nice weather and take a break from the actual classroom and just breathe in some beautiful air while we're working through our work. Let me tell you a little bit about the Data Way. This is our mission statement. And you'll notice that it doesn't say anything about using our technical prowess to take over the world, right? Yeah, they're going to learn some amazing skills and have a great time doing it. But we're focused on developing skills that they're going to take no matter what they decide to do wherever they go. So learning how to communicate, how do I talk to people from different backgrounds, and when we don't agree, how do we go through those disagreements in a productive way? Collaboration. I love our program because we get kids from all over the city, which means we have all different kinds of backgrounds sitting in our classrooms every day. So kids have to work on projects and problems, and they have to work through that together with people that might not be their best friends, that maybe they won't even hang out with when they walk out of class. But how do we right now work together to successfully complete this project, right? And then creativity and critical thinking are all skills to be able to solve problems, right? We know that employers are looking for people that they can trust to hand off a problem to, and that person can go and get it done and taken care of without them having to walk through it with them. We have a small learning community at Data, which we love. It means we're going to really know our students and our families and build those relationships. All their core classes and tech courses are data specific, together with the best teachers. I love our teachers. You're going to love them. They know their stuff, but they know our kids and know how to help them thrive. We do have high expectations of our families. Just know that going in, jump into the Data experience, because we know that when school and home work together, that's how your kid is really going to thrive, because they're hearing the same message everywhere they go. They can't escape it. We are going to stretch brains and push thinking. That critical thinking is a major component of everything that we do. We are all honors classes, which means we're advanced. We're going to push hard. GT and HAM courses are available, so if your kid already does that, they can continue with those programs. And you have the opportunity to earn up to 7.5 high school credits, which is going to open up doors and opportunities in high school to take some advanced classes you might not be able to fit in otherwise. This is a sample schedule. Everything on the left is data classes, so with data teachers, data students. And on the right is with our Ed White community, because all of us are Ed White Eagles and our kids are awesome at making friends everywhere they go. We do cross-curricular and project-based learning. All of our grade levels, our teachers work together to see how they can connect their content and what students are learning, because we know that the more kids see the connection between different subjects, the more that learning is going to stick. And so we've had cool space projects in 6th grade. We have a Holocaust project and a hunger project in 7th grade. Our 8th grade just finished a vaping project across their content areas, just really helping kids connect in lots of different ways so that they'll remember what they're learning and see that, hey, when am I going to use this?
And that's what gets answered when we do cross-curricular collaboration. We do lots of communication. They're going to learn how to present themselves. They're going to learn how to talk to each other, communicate ideas. And collaboration, we love throwing different challenges their way. How are they going to solve it? What will they do? Who's going to talk through it? And then, of course, they don't give up anything when they come to data. So they get the full middle school experience plus all the cool stuff that they'll learn in our classes that they don't get anywhere else. But they don't give up their elective. They can still do band or orchestra, theater, choir, Spanish, yearbook, art. All the electives are available to them at our school. And if they're going to be an athlete, we got all the middle school sports that are offered within Northeast ISD, and our students are proud Ed White Eagles, no matter where they go. We know that students have lots of interests, and we love to help the whole child keep them well-rounded. We have lots of clubs. These are just some of them: debate and chess, anime, chicken club, cyber patriot, but we have UIL. We have lots of opportunities for students to connect with other students and to follow their passions. And of course, who doesn't love field trips? Exploration is part of the data experience. We've gone to the beach in Corpus Christi. We've done the glass bottom boat tours. We've gone downtown and watched shows, museums, animal farms, anywhere we can take the kids out of the classroom to explore their learning is always a great time, because learning's everywhere and we want them to connect with the world beyond the classroom. We are a community and we believe in giving back. So we do have service hour expectations for each grade level. It goes up by 5 each year they're with us. In the high school, it goes up to 25 each year. And really, we're going to have lots of opportunities, but our families have shown us that they are awesome at finding ways to serve together and give back to the community. And really, we're all about family. You're going to see it. My kids have gone to the program. We are literally family, but I trust our teachers and our program with my whole heart. We're going to wrap you up and we're going to help your kid find their place, and we're going to help them succeed together. We have lots of opportunities for connecting. We do a cool zombie lab and dissection and lots of creation and exploration and time for community where they get to talk and play and be kids while they're working and growing. So if you're ready to join us, I hope you are. We would love to see you here next year. Applications are already open. It's one application for all of the programs. That website right there is where you'll find that application. Please apply before February 5th, because that's when the applications close. And then email notifications go out February 21st. Please make sure you check your junk and spam folders so you don't miss any notification from us. We are a lottery system here at Data, and this is how it works for us. So after the deadline, February 5th, we're going to sort all our applications. So into qualified or not qualified, we're going to take all the qualified applicants, mix it up, and we invite 150 people. And then we start, everybody else goes onto the wait list. And then once we start hearing from people after February 21st, then we'll start hitting our wait list as soon as we have spots that are open up and available. Don't give up if you're not in that first round, because we go through that list all the way up until school starts. So that phone might ring with the opportunity to join the best program around. Our qualifications: you got to pass STAR tests, have an academic average of 85, excellent behavior, and excellent attendance. Those first two are just to show us that they're ready for the rigor of an honors program. And then, of course, we want students who are serious about their education and learning. That's why we look at behavior and attendance. We do have a dress code: polos or Data shirts that are student designed. Every year we have a contest. And then you can see that we have khaki blue or black pants, shorts, or skirts. If you want to come visit us, we do still have some tours available. We have those January dates. Reserve your spot soon before it's all full. We'd love to see you at our school and show you what we do. We will have an open house January 23rd. So if you can't make it to a Data tour, come check out our open house and we'll show you around our campus and you'll get to meet our teachers. That's who we are. I hope you loved what you saw. If your kid is excited about anything you saw tonight, please apply to the Design and Technology Academy because we would love to help them grow in their passion. Thank you.
All right, I hope you've liked what you've seen about our program. We are passionate about what we do here at the Design and Technology Academy, and we hope that you will consider us for your child's middle school and high school experience because it will be the best thing that you ever decide to do. If there's any questions, I'm going to wait for a moment here, see if there's any questions that we need to answer. And while we're waiting, just that lottery, make sure you get that application in by February 5th. That's when it will close, and then we do our sorting by the qualifications to see who's going to get in. Make sure you're checking those emails on February 21st. Check your spam and your junk mail to make sure it doesn't end up there so that you see the results and that we can hear back from you. Make sure that you send in your response so we know if you want to choose the best program around or if you're going to go somewhere else. It looks like there's not any questions for us. So again, thank you for joining us tonight. You can always reach out to us, email me, look up our website, and see a little bit more about us. Thank you for joining us. Have a great night.